This is the resident of Lawrence Osabo Okah, the state secretary of the APC and APC chieftain. There are some miscreants, supposed loyalists to the governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, came to detonate bomb at his residence around the early hours of this morning. You can see the damages that was done by the bomb. You can see the windows that were shattered. You can see the damages that was done by the bomb that was detonated by the alleged governor loyalist. That's the POP silly. That's the POP silly. You can see the damage that was done. See the damages that was done. That's the POP silly. This is the window. This was done early hours of this morning by the bomb. This is what they have taken politics to. For their desperation for second term. It is not longer news that the government has threatened to bring down every houses of those that is opposing to the second term. This is the result of the threat. The governor and the deputy governor, this is the result of their threat. This is the bomb. This is the damages the bomb has done. As you can see, this is the resident of the state secretary of the APC, Lawrence Osabo Okah, JP. You can see the spot the bomb landed and exploded. You can see the damage. You can see the effect of the bomb to the air conditioned sets. You can see right there up. You can also see one of the bomb. You can see the bomb upstairs that refused to detonate. That was one of the bomb upstairs that refused to detonate. This is what they have reduced themselves to. Miscreants talks. See where you have seen the kind of people who gave the governors of these states to. See where they have deteriorated them shamefully. Embarrassing characters. Would this one determine second term ticket for them? This one is another second term for them. They have been buried thieves, criminals. You can see for yourself. You can see, because the government threatening. You can see. You even give them automatic ticket. You think even if you're killing somebody, you will get automatic ticket. Want the whole world to see what they have taken politics to in this state. This video should go viral. The IG, the AIG, the area commander, the DPO, and the presidency should be aware that they've turned the state to a state of anarchy. The government has turned the state to a state of anarchy only the zeal to hold itself to power. But when the voices of the people are spoken, no man can change. What God has not destined, no matter the force, no matter the intimidation, it will not come to pass. This is right at Honorable Lawrence Osabo Okah, JP, the State Secretary of the APC, Edo State. Early hours of this morning, alleged supporters of the government came and detonated bomb in his compound. This is the extent of the damage. This is the extent of the damage that was done.
It sounds like they use